Hello and welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In today's episode I'm going to strip down and clean up the front suspension assemblies. I've got facilities in the garage for small item media blasting, so it makes sense to use that on these hubs and clean up anything that's not too delicate. Breaking down the front suspension and hub assemblies is not a difficult task. It pays to clean things up and use plenty of penetrating fluid. An impact gun helps reduce labour as long as you're not too aggressive with it, and putting nuts and bolts back on where they came off means you can find them later. Removing the kingpin from its pivot can be a really troublesome task. In theory, removing the locking pin from the pivot will allow you to unscrew the bottom pivot and remove the kingpin. After attempting to drift out the pin for some time, assisted by plenty of heat, I decided it wasn't going to work and chose to cut it out. A 1mm cutting disc slides nicely between the side of the kingpin and the hub. With the hub assembly broken down, it's time for one of the most satisfying jobs, media blasting. I'm using aluminium oxide grit because it's a little less aggressive than traditional sand-based media. It also leaves a really nice finish for paint to adhere to. Now, just to do the same for the other side. Be sure to take a look at our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links in the description. Thanks for watching.